In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a person on Meta Business Suite. Whether you're managing a business page or simply looking to enhance your posts with more interactive elements, tagging is a great feature to use. Tagging allows you to directly connect with individuals or other pages, making your content more engaging and visible. Let's dive into the process and make sure you get it right. To begin with, you need to head over to the Meta Business Suite. If you're already familiar with it, that's fantastic. But if not, don't worry. Meta Business Suite is a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage their Facebook and Instagram accounts all in one place. It's a hub for creating posts, viewing analytics, managing comments, and so much more. You can access it by navigating to the Meta Business Suite website. If you're logged in, it should take you straight to your homepage. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to create a new post. Look for the Create Post button, typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking this will open up the Post Composer, where you can draft your message, add photos, and, most importantly for today's task, tag people. Now, onto the tagging itself. In the text box where you write your post, you'll want to type the @ symbol. This is the universal way to initiate a tag. Immediately after the @ start typing the username of the person you want to tag. As you type, Meta Business Suite will suggest users or pages that match what you're entering. Keep an eye on these suggestions because they make the tagging process much easier and faster. Once you see the correct username or page in the drop-down list, simply click on it to complete the tag. This will link the tagged person or page to your post, and they'll be notified once it's published. It's a great way to ensure that important people or partners see your message. A quick tip: make sure you have the correct permissions to tag someone, especially if you're tagging other businesses or public figures. Some users may have tagging restrictions, so if you can't tag someone, this might be the reason. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily tag people in your posts on Meta Business Suite, enhancing your social media interactions and potentially increasing the reach of your content. Practice this a few times and you'll become a tagging pro in no time. Thank you for watching and happy tagging!